So guys, I am back with another video and I have ordered new earbuds, that is Ultima Prime 1.0, and I will show you the unboxing video. And here is a new earbud, that is Ultima Prime 1.0, and I will unbox this and show you. And let's look at its features. There is 13 mm titanium driver and dual EQ signature and balance ANC up to 32 decibel. It can cancel the noise up to 32 decibel, boost charge and game mode to 40 minutes low latency. These are the features of Ultima Prime 1.0. And as you know, I have already made the video or unboxing video of Kickboards S Pro, which link is in the description below. You can go there and watch the unboxing video of Kickboards S. Okay, let's differentiate the features. Look here, it is the Ultima Prime 1.0 and here is 13 mm titanium driver, whereas we have got 10 mm titanium drivers on Kick, and here is 32 decibel ANC, but it can cancel out the sound up to 42 decibel. Okay guys, on the Ultima Prime 1.2 we got IPX5 rating, which is the rating of water resistance, whereas we got IPX7 rating on the Kickboards S. And here is one different factor also. On the Prime 1.2 we got 5.4 Bluetooth version, whereas we got 5.3 on the Kickboards S. Another differentiate is that Ultima 1.2 has the app, whereas Kickboards doesn't have any app. Okay, now let's drive to the unboxing of this Ultima Prime 1.0. I just now remove the plastic and I will open this. Okay, to open Ultima Prime 1.2 we have to do like this and it will open, but personally I like the packaging of Kickboards S Pro. Now let's look at the contents. Oh wow, this is Ultima's casing. Let's look the Kick's casing. Okay, personally which you like, please comment down below. Okay, when you open this you can look like this. The earbuds looks like this. On the top it has got the glossy finish, whereas the Kickboards S Pro is of the matte finish. Yes, here is the earbuds, which quality is also okay, but I personally felt the quality of Kickboards a bit more better. It is also nice, but compared to Kickboards S Pro, the earbuds were better, I think. Okay, I will test the sound quality and I will compare both of the sounds, which sounds better. Okay, what else we got in the Ultima's box? Okay, definitely it is a charger. Yes, here is a charger. Okay, here is earbuds and here is a charger, and okay, not charger, it is a data cable. Okay, and it is here are some ear tips, and here is the data cable. The black one is of Ultima and the white one is of Kick. I felt more premiumness on the Kick data cable compared to the Ultimas. The Ultimas width of the wire is small, okay, and whereas the width of the Kick is good. Okay, now I will pair the earbuds and I will show you the sound quality. The voice which you are hearing right now is all from Kickboards S Pro. Okay, now you will hear the voice from Ultima. Okay, now you are hearing the sound from Ultima. How it sounds like? Comment down below. Talking about the fitting, it is also fitting nice. Okay, I already told you that the Kick fitting was best, but this this earbuds fitting is also best. And I want to show you a thing also. Just I found at the casing, here is written 6 month of manufacturer warranty. Okay, now I am going to test the audio quality. of this Ultima Prime 1.0 earbuds. I just now tested the sound quality of Ultima. I at the initial stage I liked the sound. The separation of musical instruments was very clear, and I like the loudness of it also. Okay, I will put another earbuds, that is Kick Buds S Pro, and I will hear again that similar sound, and I will show you which one is better. Okay, I will. Yeah, talking about the sound quality, the Ultima's earbuds can produce more loud and clear sound, and it can separate the instruments better as compared to the Kicks one. Okay, the sound which you are hearing is from Kicks boards. Okay, the sound which you are hearing right now is from Ultima Prime 1.0. Now I will test the quality of sound during the phone calls and its ANC, whether it is working properly or not. As we know, the ANC of Ultima is lower than the ANC of Kick, but we will compare. Okay, guys, this is the sound quality from Ultima. Okay, and I tested the sound quality during phone calls while making phone calls. No doubt, the ANC of the Kick is better, and at the end of the day, while going to the crowded place, the Kick will do a better job compared to Ultima Prime 1.2. Yes, if you want the earbuds for hearing or watching videos or sound, hearing sound or music, then the 3mm big driver of Ultima will help you. But at the end of the day, if you are watching or if you are searching for the earbuds to make the phone calls also, then the higher ANC, that is of the Kick, will definitely help you at the end of the day. So guys, I am going to end the video here. It takes a lot of effort to make this type of video and compare. Therefore, please like, share, and subscribe my video. And if you have any queries, then just comment down below. Okay, and comment whether you like the video or not. Thumbs up.